So the first question is why talk about PCR? Um, what's the big deal about PCR? So just to give a little bit of a definition, the purpose of a PCR or polymerase chain reaction, a process that was patented and developed by Carrie Mullis, who I will talk about a little later, is that while it's not the only way that modern scientists, modern molecular biologists, modern virologists, modern geneticists identify DNA, it is certainly the predominant way. And obviously, the PCR has come to prominence because of COVID, because the quote test, and even though PCR is by no means a medical diagnostic test, and we'll get into that a little bit too, it has in some strange way become the test that has defined who supposedly has the SARS-CoV-2 virus. And essentially, just about any viral disease is primarily defined by the PCR quote test. So obviously that makes understanding what a PCR does, how it works, hugely important. But not only that, PCR is how we work with, find, and identify DNA these days. It's not the only way, but it's certainly the predominant way.